Okay. Put it in there, you never know. Go look around. Oh, I see another one. Can you get it? Oh, found another one. Hurry, quick. Let's go around out front here. Oh my goodness. Gee, that Easter bunny was busy, wasn't she? Let's go this way. Ah, you're dropping them all. Here, let Granny hold it for you.
What?
Granny hitting on you?
No, but I found one.
I'm just following him. Okay, put it in here.
There's one.
Go look.
Like, use it to jack it up too. Flower bed. Look in the flowers. I see one right now in the flowers.
Come on. Did you find any more? All right. Don't open them. You gotta look quick. You can't. I got them. I got them. You gotta just keep looking.
The Easter bunny hid some eggs here last year that Darian found some last July.
Here, I'll have to find some. Jared.
This way, fellas. Is there any more?
Better go look.
Jared, did you find any more? I'm trying to help him find some.